Like I gotta be so drunk to be like to check.
Sometimes you don't know. It's
Well,
so.
sometimes the hottest chicks are dudes. Let's be honest.
I mean, is there any other way to do it?
You got a problem with me? I'll shoot you. No, no. We're here on the same page. We're good.